Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing both the case and your device. Charge the case and AirPods to a healthy level. Low power can interrupt pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or tablet and keep it within about 1.5 meters of the case. Open the lid and watch for the on-screen prompt. If it doesn't appear, press the Setup button on the back of the case. This starts the secure handshake, so your device recognizes the AirPods as a new accessory. Next, you'll refine how the AirPods work for you. Run the ear tip fit test so you get the best seal and bass response. A bad fit reduces noise canceling. Then go into settings to assign press and hold or swipe gestures for noise modes or voice assistant. Make choices that match daily use. Also enable adaptive transparency or active noise cancellation and test spatial audio with compatible content. These options affect battery and situational awareness, so configure them for your typical environments. To finish, sync your AirPods across devices or connect manually when needed. If you use Apple devices, iCloud Sync simplifies switching. Make sure to install firmware updates when your AirPods and case are charging and idle to keep features stable. If audio drops, one bud is quiet, or pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Then pair again. This reset resolves most stubborn connectivity or firmware glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.